Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ethiopian Tradition YouTube channel. On this channel, I will take you on an exciting journey through Ethiopia's cultural treasures. This is more than just a channel. It's a space for all of us, Ethiopians and lovers of Ethiopian culture alike, to connect, learn, and share Ethiopian tradition languages, music, and dances with respective religion. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this journey with others. Together, let's preserve and celebrate Ethiopia's incredible traditions for generations to come. Thank you, and let's get started. Today, we're diving deep into one of Ethiopia's most beloved and iconic traditional dishes, Doro Wot. If you've ever tasted it, you already know it's rich, spicy, full of flavor, and often called the queen of Ethiopian dishes. So today I'm going to show you how to make authentic Doro Wot step by step, the traditional way, just like our mothers and grandmothers make it at home. First, we start with the chicken, usually a whole chicken. Traditionally, it's cleaned and cut into 12 precise pieces, each symbolizing a part of respect for family and guests. Then we wash it thoroughly with lemon juice and salt. This not only cleans the chicken, but also gives it that special fresh taste. After washing, we set it aside to drain. Now this is where the magic begins, the heart of Doro Wot, the onion base. We take a large amount of red onions, sometimes up to 5 or 6 for one chicken, and finely chop them. No oil yet. We place them in a pot and slowly cook them dry, stirring constantly until the moisture evaporates, and they turn golden brown. This slow cooking brings out the deep, sweet aroma that gives Doro Wot its signature flavor. Once the onions are perfectly cooked, it's time to add oil, or they call it kibbeh, is called Ethiopian spice butter, about half a cup. Now we stir and let it absorb the flavor. Next comes the soul of the dish, Berbere. Berbere is a blend of red chili, garlic, ginger, basil, kororima, and other Ethiopian spices. It's what gives Doro Wot its rich color and deep taste. We add 2 to 3 tablespoons of Berbere, stir it well, and let it simmer on low heat for about 10-15 minutes until the oil rises to the top. Now, we add freshly crushed garlic and ginger. We mix it all together and let it cook again, slowly, with patience. Doro Wot rewards those who take their time. Now it's time for the chicken to join the party. Add the cleaned chicken pieces into the spicy onion base. We stir gently so every piece is coated with that deep red sauce. Add salt, a bit of black pepper, and if needed, a splash of water or chicken broth. Cover it and let it cook slowly for about 30-40 minutes, stirring occasionally so the flavors blend beautifully. As the chicken cooks, we prepare boiled eggs, a signature touch of Doro Wot. We peel them and make small cuts around them so the flavor seeps in. Then, drop the eggs into the pot for the last 10 minutes of cooking. Now the sauce thickens, the oil shines on top, and the smell fills the kitchen. That's when you know your Doro Wot is ready. After this, we're going to serving the Doro Wot. Traditionally, Doro Wot is served with Injera, the soft and slightly sour Ethiopian flatbread made from teff flour. We place a large piece of Injera on a platter, pour the Doro Wot in the center, and add the boiled eggs on top. Family and friends gather around, everyone sharing from the same plate. That's the true Ethiopian way of enjoying food. togetherness, love, and respect. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful, entertaining. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for spending your time here with me. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.